welcome to Gold Fever Adventures. Today, I'm going to be running me some dirt. Actually, what I'm going to be doing is running some sand that I got from Home Depot. I don't know if you've ever found gold in the sand you get at Home Depot. Now, there are a couple different types and bags of sand, so you kind of got to get the right one, I guess. I'll show you that here too also. But let me go find a piece of equipment and what I want to run, I guess, or which piece of equipment I'm going to run. You tell me what you might like or what you think I should run, but I'm going to go show you that. Anyways, hey, I want to thank you guys coming along, sharing all these adventures, and let's see if we can find some gold today.
Chasing that shine, digging deep in the earth, every little nugget, yeah, we were counting our worth, pants in the river, catching dreams that unfold. When you strike it rich, you were cold-blooded and bold. Gold fever strike.
Okay, this here is the Speed Banker. This here got the Dream Mat in it. This here is Gold Fox right here. This here's got a trommel, a slick plate. This here has the hog mat in there. I really like this here setup right here, complete setup. But what I'm running is already classified down, so I'm not going to need a trommel. I can still use this thing, just don't have to have the trommel turning. And then over here we got the Gold Well. Right here, this doesn't use any mats. This is kind of the same principle as the right here of your Dream Mat stuff. But I think I'm going to be using the Gold Well right here. And my sand is right there. A couple other pieces of equipment. This here's the Keen right here. Got that piece I could run. This here's the little gold grabber right there. Could be running that. Got some other little high bankers. When you get in the sand, one bag of it will say pre-washed and screened. That means they've already taken out any gold out of it because it's already been screened and pre-washed. The other bag will just say pre-washed. So you want the one that says washed, not screened. So let me get some of this other piece of equipment out of the way, get this thing set up, and we'll start running it. Okay, it's set up, and I'm also just using me a regular trash pump right here, just like this here. There's electric. That's what I'm going to be using too. Guess that's ready to go. Graded and washed. so it hasn't been pre-screened. It's been graded and washed. So could be some gold in here. Okay, I'll let this clean itself out here a little bit. Then I'm going to pan it out and we'll see if there's any gold in it at all. I'm not looking to get a whole lot. Even if I can just find a couple little specks, that'd be pretty cool. But I'm not looking to really find any gold. Black sand. Let's tell you that right now. Black sand anyways. Nothing else. I thought I saw a big piece in there, but I know that wasn't gold. That'd be nice if that was gold right there, but that was not gold. That's not gold. Come on. Oh, yeah, see? That'd be nice if that, but that's gold. There's one little piece in there. See that? One flake I see. Do you see that in there? Right there. The bigger thing is not gold. That's not gold, but that right there is a piece of gold. Right there. That's a piece of gold. Looks like that was the only piece, huh? Looks like that was it. One little flick. Wow. One little piece. Well, I'll tell you what, you won't get rich running the sand from Home Depot, but it just goes to show you that there is gold in there. There is gold in that sand. Anyways, it's awful warm here in Arizona. I'm in my backyard, and I tell you what, it's probably approaching 100 degrees already, so I got to get out of this heat. Anyways, just had a little fun. I had to see what gold there was in that Home Depot sand. Anyway, I want to thank you guys coming along, sharing on these adventures right now. I got to go think about what my next adventure is. Oh, I got some great things planned in the future there. Some great stuff. If you guys love gold prospecting, treasure hunting, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Sure appreciate it. So, hey, until our paths cross again, you guys all have a fantastic day. Get out and get some gold. Till then, thanks for watching, everyone.
climb every hill with the sun on our backs. We take our stand, uncovering treasures buried in this land. This gold fever's got us running wild in the heart of the land. We feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams, never alone. With metal detectors singing in the breeze, we dig for the fortune, uncovering keys. With a gold pan in hand, we sift through the dirt. Each little glimmer makes our hearts surge. By the firelight's glow, our laughter rings as we dream of the riches tomorrow brings. This gold fever's got us running wild in the heart of the land. We feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams, never alone. By the firelight's glow, our laughter rings as we dream of the riches tomorrow brings. This gold fever's got us running wild in the heart of the land. We feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams, never alone. So here's to the nights beneath the stars. With our hearts full of dreams, we'll go far. This gold fever's got us running wild in the heart of the land. We feel like a child. Adventures await in the great unknown. Together we chase dreams, never alone. Never alone. So here's to the nights beneath the stars. With our hearts full of dreams, we'll go far.